Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Boom.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Hi, I'm Shay, and you may notice that I'm in a lab coat. But this is what forensic scientists wear, and that's not the point of this video. Today, I'm going to walk you through the life of a CSI agent. CSI stands for Crime Scene Investigators, and as you can see, there has been a horrendous crime that has happened right here. Now I'm going to take you through the life of what CSI agents do. So first of all, as you can see, there are markers everywhere. CSI agents go through and they label and mark different pieces of evidence that they see at the crime scene. That's their main job, identifying, collecting, preserving, and packaging evidence. And then they ship it off to the forensic scientists who wear the lab coats. They're the ones in the science labs who do fingerprinting, DNA, blood testing, all of that. That's the main difference. Let's get that clear right now. CSI, the crime scene.
Boom.
Forensic scientist, the lab coat.
Boom.
Now, after they've gone through and looked at all the different pieces of evidence, come closer. Such small things such as this piece of hair, or the shoe print in the blood spatter, all the way over to the flower, or hey, I don't know what it is, a suspicious white substance, but they mark it and they label it. Then they go, they sit down, and they write it down. This is the strenuous part because this can take hours, very long hours. This is what's so important because sometimes you could be up for 5, 6 to 10 hours writing out as many pieces of evidence that you found at a crime scene. This is the strenuous part because it takes a keen eye. You have to be able to pay attention to detail, have a strong stomach, and a clear mind because you may or may not see death on a daily basis. For sure you will. However, most cases aren't as strenuous as this one, where there's been a murder or a dead body. There are a lot of burglaries or other small minority cases. But this is the important part where you're writing down, for example, I'll say marker 14, that was a strand of hair that I found. But this is where you have to be important to detail. It's a strand of hair, but where was it? A strand of hair on the left side of the patient's body, or victim's body in this case. And then you label it as that. Or if I want to talk about the broken glass from the window, you want to talk about was it broken inward, like someone was coming in, or outward, as if someone was leaving. Important things like that are key because you never know when it could make or break a case. That could be your break where you need to figure out who it was. Lastly, to talk about CSI agents, they are important to a case. As I just told you, what they write down and what they explain is exactly what forensic scientists need to continue on to complete the case. What they figure out and what they see at a crime scene helps the case. If they miss something or they write something down wrong, it kind of puts the case in jeopardy. You feel me? So if there's not one thing that you didn't learn, let's just be clear. CSI, the crime scene. Forensic scientist, the lab coat. I'm Shay. Thank you.